Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's find date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers here, and now we can freely tap on date and change it just by swiping. The same with the time, just swipe and it will be immediately applied. Here we can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the full list of available time zones. So simply find yours and then tap, it will be immediately applied. We can also decide whether we want to use the dual clock, which means that your device will display one clock with the time from the place you're currently in and the second from any other place of your choice. Just by tapping on the switcher you can turn it on and choose the second clock, and you can decide where you and how you want to display it. What's more, we can change the time format. So here we've got 24-hour applied. We can set 12-hour format just by tapping on the specific feature. So basically this is it. If you'd like to, you can go back to automatic options just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.